ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो, त्रिभुवन पावनी, आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। Third chapter, Jnaneshwari, we are seeing in that Bhagwan is explaining Arjuna, you must do karma. Several reasons why to perform karma Bhagwan has been giving. Bhagwan introduced karma yajna concept in this third chapter. Yajna means you do actions selflessly. And then Bhagwan Krishna brought one topic where Brahmaji had given Upadesha, guidelines for human being. He said, you serve God, you will get, gods will serve you. And when they give you result back, you have to offer something from that. For example, like you are serving one company. So that company manager or company management will give you some money. This is just an example. It is not appropriate here. Then whatever money we get out of that, we should give something to company, or you say country, whatever it is. It is in this context that we do selflessly few things and gods are pleased with us and they give happiness in our life. Whatever the material or objects they give, out of that we should give something back to them, and then we should enjoy all other things. So whatever, after giving back whatever we have got from gods, whatever is remaining, the residual part, we must enjoy that. So with the God's grace, we got one job. God's grace. So that job is giving me 30,000. So I should give 300 or whatever amount, small amount, for some good work in the society. And once I give 3,000 and 27,000, I enjoy for my life. So everything happening in this world is with God's grace only. I got a new house. So it's God's grace. I got new house. I did something for God. I did some good karmas and I got the house. Now what should I do? Whenever possible, I will call few people at my house. I will feed them. If some sannyasi Mahatma is coming, I will offer my house to reside them, to stay them one night. So like that, whatever we get in our life, we should not use it for our own sake. Something we should give it back in return. So now Bhagwan says, whatever is remaining and we eat, enjoy that. So we served God. We served God. We did lot of good actions keeping God in mind, and God gave us result. Now those results we gave back, little bit amount from that, and if someone doesn't give it back, he is thief, Bhagavan said in previous shloka. Now Bhagavan says, once you give whatever you got from God, you give it back, then whatever remains, you enjoy it, and now whatever remained, that is not ordinary thing. It is going to uh, remove sins from your life. And once sins are removed, you will be having happiness in your life. So you pleased God, God pleased you. Again, you gave something back from them. Whatever remains, you enjoy that. Whatever yajna avashishta is remaining, it's not ordinary. It is going to kill. It is going to remove papam. And if you don't give it back and you enjoy full for yourself, then you are not eating food, you are eating papam. That is the concept now. यज्ञशिष्टाशिनः सन्तः मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषैः भुञ्जते ते त्वघं पापाः ये पचन्त्यात्मकारणात् यज्ञशिष्टाशिनः सन्तः मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषैः भुञ्जते ते त्वघं पापाः ये पचन्त्यात्मकारणात्. Now अन्वय यज्ञ विग्रह यज्ञ शिष्टः आशिणः सन्तः मुच्यन्ते सर्व किल्बिषैः भुञ्जते ते तु अघं पापाः ये पचन्ति आत्मकारणात्. Little bit meaning you can understand just by reading. So yajna shishta, yajna, whatever actions you did without ego and without any expectation, that is called yajna, and you get some result and you give it back. Yajna shishta, once you give back whatever you got from God's grace, ashinaha, then you are eat ashinaha santah, and you are going to eat that whatever is remaining, the residual thing. Sarvah kilbishaihi muchyate. That eating, enjoying whatever you got, it is going to release you from all the sins. Sarva kilbishaihi. From all the sins, you will be released. Okay. Ye, those who atma karanat pachanti. Tu means on the other hand, ye, those atma karanat pachanti. They got something from the God's grace. They might not acknowledging it or understanding it that whatever I have got, that is God's grace, and they don't give it back. Then te papaha, those people are sinners, wicked, crooked. Agham bhunjate, those people, they eat papa only. Those papi people, they eat, wicked people, they eat papam, not food. So we must give back whatever we get from God or in our life. देखा विहित क्रिया विधि निर्हेतुका बुद्धि जो असत्ये समृद्धि विनियोग करी. देखा विहित क्रिया विधि निर्हेतुका बुद्धि जो असत्ये समृद्धि विनियोग करी. देखा, see, vihita kriya vidhi, like you did some karma, which is vihita karma, vihita kriya vidhi, through proper, steps you followed, with precaution you did some yajna, the great things you did without expectation, without ego, kriya vidhi. And how? Nirhetuka buddhi, there is no purpose behind doing some righteous or the superior or best thing in their life. Nirhetuka buddhi, there is no motive, selfish motive behind those actions. And then what happened? You get the result. Jo asatye samruddhi, whatever result we have, samruddhi, the flourishment or the prosperity you have, that prosperity you viniyog kari, you utilize that money or whatever you have got in proper way, in righteous way. When you give that, then there is a uh, greater absolvation from sin. You will be free from sin. Guru, and what is that greater things once we get we should do? Guru Gotra Agni Puji Avasari Dvije Avasari Bhaje Dviji Nimitta Diki Yaji Pitaro Deshe Guru Gotra Agni Puji Avasari Bhaje Dviji Nimitta Diki Yaji Pitaro Deshe. What you do once you get that money or anything? Guru, your teacher. Gotra, your clan. Agni Puji, every day you do yajna. Avasari bhaje dviji. Whenever there is opportunity, you serve Brahmana. You serve Brahmana. Nimittadiki yaji pitarodeshe. And whenever there is occasion, that time you offer your offerings to forefather. So that are these all things we must do. या यज्ञ क्रिया उचिता यज्ञेशि हवन करिता हुतशेष स्वभावतः उरे जे जे या something I forgot. No. या यज्ञ क्रिया उचिता यज्ञेशि हवन करिता हुतशेष स्वभावतः उरे जे जे. Once you offer what is remaining thing, okay, through a righteous way for dharmic thing, then yajna kriya uchita, appropriate things, yajne sihavana karita, you are utilizing in again in appropriate and good things. Hutashesha swabhavata ure je je, and after that whatever is remaining, Hutashesha. Huta, once you did Havan, once you offered it to Bhagavan. Swabhavata ure jeje, naturally, effortlessly, whatever you have, this is a couplet. ते सुख आपुल्या घरी, ते सुखे आपुल्या घरी, कुटुंबेसी भोजन करी, की भोग्यची ते निवारी कल्मशाते. Now the residual food which you have, that you eat along with your family. ते सुखे आपुल्या घरी कुटुंबेसी भोजन करी की भोग्याची ते निवारी कल्मशाते. ते सुखे आपुल्या घरी, happily whatever is remaining after having offered to God, ते सुखे आपुल्या घरी, in your house with your in your house happily, कुटुंबेसी भोजन करी, and you eat that. Or if you got money, you utilize that residual money for everyone's well-being. That is how it is not only about food, all other things. Kutumbesi bhojana kari ki bhogya te nivari kalmashate. And since kalmashate bhogya nivari, whatever things you are enjoying out of right money, that is going to dispel your sin from your life. ते यज्ञावशिष्ट भोगी म्हणोनी सांडिजे तो अगी जया परी महारोगी अमृत सिद्धी. ते यज्ञावशिष्ट भोगी म्हणोनी सांडिजे तो अघी जया परी महारोगी अमृत siddhi. Naneshwar Maharaj gives example how that person is going to get rid of papam. Now Naneshwar Maharaj gives example. There is one sick person, Maharogi means leprous man, who has leprosy around him on his body. A leprous man, Maharogi, Amruta Siddhi, and he got somehow nectar. So there is a person who has leprosy and he got amruta, then what will happen? Once he drinks that amruta or just by seeing at that amruta, then the maharoga, the leprosy will leave him because amruta is there. Like that, yajnavashishta bhogihi. Bhogi, one who is enjoying. What? Yajnavashishtaha, remaining samugri, after remaining result after yajna. Manoni sandije to aghi. Therefore, he gives up all the sins because he has taken yajna avashishta. That much importance is there for that yajna avashishta. Another example Dhaneshwar Maharaj is giving कि तत्वनिष्ठु जैसा नागवे भ्रांति लेशा तो शेष भोगी तैसा ना कड़े दोषा कि तत्वनिष्ठु जैसा नागवे भ्रांति लेशा तो शेष भोगी तैसा ना कड़े दोषा. तो तत्वनिष्ठ. Now you see, first example was a bad example like leprosy and the nectar. Now Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives beautiful example. तो इत्तका तत्वनिष्ठु जैसा, there is a realized person, enlightened person, and once he is enlightened or realized person, Bhrantilesha Nagave, this illusion won't deceive him. He won't fall in trap of illusion. तो शेष भोगी तैसा ना कड़े dosha. Like that means realized person is not trapped by the illusion of this world. In the same way, a person who has eaten or enjoyed the residual food, that person won't be, persecuted or won't be trapped by this papa. Just like Brahma won't do anything to Jnani person, like that, this papam also will leave him. That papam also will not do anything to this person. Nakale dosha, he is not, affected by papa punya, because that is the power of yajna vashishta. Therefore, Dhaneshwar Maharaj concludes nicely, Manoni swadharme je arje, te swadharme chi viniyogi je, maga ure te bhogi je, santoshesi. Manoni swadharme je arje, te swadharme chi viniyogi je, maga ure te bhogi je, santosheshi. Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, therefore, swadharme je arje, through proper righteous means, manoni, therefore, swadharme, through righteous means, by performing your own duty, je arje, whatever you get, te swadharme chi viniyogi je, that you invest or utilize for good work only. For example, you are getting some money, use it for a family's prosperity. Wherever needed, use it and earn it through right means. Swadharme chi viniyogije maga urete bhogije santoshesi. Here, small correction. So whatever you get, you give it in good way, and then whatever remains, you enjoy it. Swadharme chi viniyogije, you invest, utilize that in good work, in righteous way, and then whatever you utilize, having utilized whatever you have got, then that you enjoyed santoshesi, happily. Hey, and other than that, don't do anything. That's what Krishna is saying. He vachoni partha rahato nai anyatha. ऐसी आद्य हे कथा मुरारी सांगे. हे वाचोनी पार्था राहटो नये अन्यथा. ऐसी आद्य हे कथा मुरारी सांगे. हे वाचोनी पार्था मीन्स अर्निंग थ्रू right way, giving back to uh, to gods, and whatever is remaining, enjoying that with family. Other than that, if you do anything, वाचोनी हे पार्था, other than this, rahato nahi, अन्यथा, other than this, you don't try something new, like gaining something through wrong means, applying or utilizing that for ourselves, our sake, and going down and down. Who is telling this? ऐसी आद्य हे कथा मुरारी सांगे. ऐसी आद्य हे कथा मुरारी सांगे. The story in the beginning is Bhagavan Krishna is telling us जे देहाचे आपण पे मानिते. Now other story is going on. So first line is explained here, like you enjoy whatever is remaining after yajna, that is going to remove your papam, and one who doesn't give it to God and enjoy himself, that person is not eating food, he is eating papam, sin. And how is that person? You see the explanation. जे देहचे आपण पे मानिती आणि विषयाते भोग्य म्हणती. Our explanation. या परे न स्मरती आणिक काही. जे देहचे आपण पे मानिती आणि विषयाते भोग्य म्हणती. या परते न स्मरती आणिक काही. जे देहची आपण मानिती. What is their idea about themselves? देहची आपण पे मानिती. I am body. This much is their understanding. विषयाते भोग्य म्हणती. I am enjoyer. These objects are enjoyment. भोग्य म्हणती. या परे न स्मरती अनिक काय. Other than that, they don't think anything. Other than that, they don't remember anything. So I have to enjoy the world. I am the enjoyer. And जे हे यज्ञोपकरण सकळ नेन तसा ते बरळ अहम बुद्धी केवळ भोगू पाहती. हे यज्ञोपकरण सकळ नेन तसा ते बरळ अहम बुद्धी केवळ भोगू पाहती. And this doing yajna and all, like doing work without expectation, doing work selflessly, working for the well-being of society, working for others. This everything is हे यज्ञोपकरण सकळ नेन तसा ते बरळ. They don't understand this and they say this is useless thing. What is the purpose of life? Aham buddhi kevala bhogu pahati. I am this body. I want everything. I won't do anything for anyone. Everyone should do for me. I won't do anything for anyone. Like that, the thinking is, it is robust thinking nowadays in society. So, yajna and all, barad, this is not at all good, they say. And aham buddhi keva, this doing yajna and all is useless, futile thing. So, with the aham buddhi, bhogu pahati, they enjoy that. Then how do they enjoy? Indriya ruchi sarakhe karaviti pak nike te papiye patake sevati zana. Dhaneshwar Maharaj doesn't hesitate to call these people as papiye. Indriya ruchi sarakhe करविति पाक निके ते पापिये पातके सेवती जान. इंद्रिय रुचि सारिखे. Whatever is very, palpable, whatever it is very, delicious or delightful to all the sense organ, that kind of food they will cook. Indriya ruchi sarekhe, whatever my sense organ likes. Sometimes spicy, sometimes hot, sometimes sweet, sometimes different. Shadrasa, the six different juices they will have. Whatever their sense is like. Te papiye, those people are sinners. Patake sevati, and they are eating sin. They are not eating any delicious food. जे संपत्ति जात आघवे, हे हवन द्रव्य मानावे, मग स्वधर्म यज्ञे अर्पावे आदि पुरुषी. What we should do? That is also Jnaneshwar Maharaj telling. जे संपत्ति जात आघवे, whatever wealth we have, house, car, bike, land, account, money, everything. He havana dravya manave. This God has given me for others. This wealth I have, which I should utilize for well-being of society, how much ever I can. मग स्वधर्म यज्ञे अर्पावे आदि पुरुषी. स्वधर्म यज्ञे, keeping God in mind, doing our own duty, keeping God in mind. Arpave, you just offer it to whom? Adi Purushi Bhagavan. Supreme, you just offer whatever you have in your life. हे सांडोनी मूर्ख, आपण पेया लागी देख, निपजविती पाक नाना विधी. हे सांडोनिया मूर्ख, आपण पेया लागी देख, निपजविती पाक नाना vidhi. He Sandonia means you earn through right way, you invest in right way, you serve the society. He Sandoni. All other things he give up. Murkha. This is the worst word Jnaneshwar Maharaj has used in Jnaneshwari. Murkha, Gavandhe, Gavar, like that different, like soft words. आपण पेया लागी देख, निपजविती पाक. Whatever the selfish desire is, they fulfill that. आपण पेया लागी, only for their sake only. निपजविती पाक नानाविधी. Different dishes they make and they eat. Different place they go and enjoy. Different people they meet and they enjoy. Everything for their sake. And for other people, nothing. जिहि यज्ञो सिद्धि जाये, परेशा तोषु होये, तेहे सामान्य अन्ननो हे मनोनिया. Now greatness of that food, whatever is remaining after having offered to gods. जिहि यज्ञो सिद्धि जाये, परेशा तोषु होये, तेहे सामान्य अन्न न होये मनोनिया. जिहि यज्ञ सिद्ध जाए, because of that you could complete yajna, means you could complete your actions because you got some result from God. Because of that yajna, because of those actions, yajna siddhu jaye, siddhi jaye. Paresha toshu hoye, and you offer that to God. So God is also happy. So because of that, you could complete yajna. Paresha toshu hoya, God is happy because you offered whatever you can to God, and now you got something from God and you have to enjoy that. That is not ordinary food. That is not ordinary things which you have after having offered it to God. Te samanya anna no he na hoye. Te he samanya anna na hoye manoniya. That is not a ordinary normal food. It's something wonderful, which is going to remove your papam. Someone calls it as sadharan. No, it is Brahma Swarupa. Like Brahmatva, my Brahmatva, infinitude removes me from sorrow. Like that, this residual food also removes my papam. Therefore, He na manave sadharana. Don't call it as ordinary. He na manave sadharana. अन्न ब्रह्म रूप जान जीवन हेतु कारण विश्वायया. सॉरी. हे न म्हणावे साधारण अन्न ब्रह्म रूप जाण जीवन हेतु कारण विश्वायया. This is not ordinary food. This food is the form of God, Paramatma, Jivan Hetu Karan. This is the cause because of you are alive. Not only you, entire Vishwa. Because if one person does yajna and he gets result from the God, he offers it back, and that residual thing, the remaining thing, is going to help the entire family, society, world. So this is not ordinary food. Very important. Therefore, in Marathi we say, अन्न हे पूर्ण ब्रह्म उदर भरण नो हे जाणीजे यज्ञ कर्म. That is yajna karma, because you have offered it to God. You got it from God, you have offered it to God, and you are utilizing it for good purpose. Then now one more reason Bhagavan gives, that there is a cycle of this nature, and if you don't do yad karma, then this cycle of this nature will stop, and that is not good for everyone. So first he is explaining this cycle, and then he is going to tell you must do karma. Karma yoga you must do. Now he gives a sequence from what came, from what came, and he reaches, like Bhagwan reaches till the root of everything. Beautiful slokas. अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यादन्न संभवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यः यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः. अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यादन्न संभवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यः यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः. विग्रह. अन्नात् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यात् अन्न संभवः यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यः यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः. Now meaning, Bhutani, all the human beings, Annat Bhavanti, Annamaya Pranaha. In Kali Yuga, Annamaya Pranaha. From these human beings are emerged from food. Bhutani, people, or this creation. Annat Bhavanti, not creation, creatures. Like human beings, animals, all living beings, they have emerged from food, because of food. From where food came? Parajanyat anna sambhavah. Because of rain, food came. Parajanyah yajnat sambhavati. And this, how rain came? Because people did yajna. Yajna in the sense, they did actions which are desireless and without expectation. And you can say actual yajna also is been performed. And from where this yajna came? Yajnah karma samudbhavah. So this yajna came from karma. So this sacrifice is born out of karma. So human beings, then food, then rain, then yajna, and this yajna came from karma. Annastava bhute praroha pavati samaste मग वरिषूया अन्नाते सर्वत्र प्रसवे अन्नास्तव भूते प्ररोह पावती समस्ते मग वरिषूया अन्नाते सर्वत्र प्रसवे अन्नास्तव bhute. Because of food, all human beings or living being came. Praroha pavati, they grow more. Samaste, all human beings, all living beings, they grow more because of food. From where food comes, maga varishuya annate sarvatra prasave. This rain gives food everywhere. तया पर्जन्या यज्ञी जन्म यज्ञाते प्रगति कर्म कर्मासि आदि ब्रह्म वेद रूप तया पर्जन्या यज्ञी जन्म यज्ञाते प्रगति कर्म कर्मासि आदि ब्रह्म वेद रूप तया पर्जन्या जन्मी यज्ञ. So thus that rain yajni janma, it comes from yajna, a sacrifice. Yajnate pragati karma, and this yajna is done because of action. So from action the yajna has come. Karma siyadi brahma veda rupa, and from where the karma came? Brahma veda rupa. So here Brahma doesn't mean Brahma, the consciousness or infinite. Here Brahma means Vedas. So from the karma came from Vedas, and this is how the cycle is going on. If you stop karma, then yajna will stop. If yajna stops, rain will stop. If rain stops, then the food won't be there. If food is not there, people won't be there. Like that, this is a cycle. Please complete the cycle by doing karma. Karma brahmo कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षरसमुद्भवं तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितं कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षरसमुद्भवं तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितं ब्रह्म उद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्म अक्षरम समुद्भवम तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम् तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम्. Now अन्वय. So you see once again, human beings, food, rain, the karma, veda. And from where this Veda came? Vedas, they came from Bhagwan. So, karma Brahma Udbhavam Vidhi. This, this karma has come from Brahma Vedas. And Brahma Akshara Samudbhavam, Akshara Paramatma. This, the Brahma, the Vedas, they have emerged from God, like Paramatma, like Akshara Parabrahma. Tasma, therefore, Sarvagatam Brahma Yajne Nityam Pratishitam. Therefore, these Vedas are always rooted in this Yajna. What it says? So, these Vedas are actually rooted, established in this Yajna. So, Vedas are the base for action, then Yajna, then water, then the food, and then human being. So what is the base of everything? Brahma. So entire this Vedas, they are in this Yajna. So because of Vedas, everything is moving, everything is working. Sarvagatam Brahma Yajne Nityam Pratishthitam. Therefore, the Sarvavyapi Vedas are always rooted in Yajna. Beautiful. मग वेदांते परापर प्रसवत से अक्षर म्हणून हे चराचर ब्रह्मबद्ध मग वेदांते चरा परापर प्रसवतसे अक्षर म्हणून हे चराचर ब्रह्मबद्ध देअरफॉर वे पर अपर वेदांते प्रसवतसे अक्षर. सो अक्षर परमात्मा प्रसवतसे पर अपर वेदांते. वेदांना this Paramatma, the Brahma is producing these Vedas, producing or generating these Vedas, or because of Paramatma, Vedas are into being. Therefore, he Charachara Brahma Baddha. Brahma, Paramatma is at the root of entire creation. Therefore, Brahma has to be there throughout this entire creation. Manavuni he charachara brahma baddha. Manavuni, therefore, charachara, moving, non-moving things are brahma baddha, bound in Paramatma. परिकर्माची मूर्ती यज्ञी अधिवसु श्रुती ऐके सुभद्रापती अखंडगा. परिकर्माची मूर्ती यज्ञी अधिवासु श्रुती ऐके सुभद्रापती अखंडगा. ऐके सुभद्रापती, ओ अर्जुना, लिसन. कर्माची मूर्ति यज्ञ अधिवासु श्रुति. Karmachi murti. If karma has to be there, then that karma, that yajna is adhivasu shruti, is rooted, is fixed, it is mounted on Vedas. So karma, Veda, Brahma, all are in one sequence and akhandaga. So Vedas are there throughout the yajna, throughout the creation, throughout the actions. And it means that Vedas have told us that yajna is the only way to have chitta shuddhi in our life. This shloka tells us what? Vedas are everywhere. Paramatma is everywhere, and from that Paramatma Vedas came. Means Vedas are everywhere. Means Vedas are the only way to purify our mind through yajna. We will sing one bhajan, remaining part we will see next time. So if you don't do karma, the complete action will be, the complete circle will stop. पवित्रते अन्न हरि चिंतनी भोजन हरि चिंतनी भोजन हरि चिंतनी भोजन येर वेठ्या पोट भरी चाममस काचे परी चाममस काचे परी चाममस काचे परी जेवुनिया तोची धाला हरि चिंतनी केला काला हरि चिंतनी केला काला हरि चिंतनी केला काला येर वेठा पोट भरी येर वेठा पोट भरी येर वेठ्या पोट भरी चाममस काचे परी चाममस काचे परी चाममस काचे परी. तुका म्हणे चवी आले आले तुका म्हणे चवी आले जे कामी श्रीत विठ्ठले जे कामी श्रीत विठ्ठले हिरवेठ्या पोट भरी आ हिरवेठ्या पोट भरी चाममस काचे परी चाममस काचे परी हिरवेठ्या पोट भरी आ हिरवेठ्या पोट भरी ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलिक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ महाराज की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम।